boys and girls, and welcome to Gore on Guitar, Conan Gray. Not the first time on this channel, but it's been a while, so this time we have a song called Jigsaw. So yeah, pretty much all about downstrokes here for this song. So let's start right away. No need for any capo, and 4 chords only. That's what we need. So starting with A, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have an F sharp minor. So there you need to bar the 2nd fret here, all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And then we have D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have B minor. So B minor, you bar the 2nd fret again, this time only from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So there you have your 4 chords. Right, so this one starts with an intro, and it's 2 times A and F sharp, back and forth, like this. A, F sharp, A, F sharp. Okay, and the strumming, like I said, it's all about downstrokes in the song. But this one, first time here, the first strumming kind of variation of these downstrokes, we have 8 downs. But you have certain downs you want to emphasize. So you want to emphasize the 1st down, the 4th down, and the 7th down. Okay, so by that I mean if you start with the A chord here, you play 8 downs. So that is how it should sound. So down, this 1st down emphasized, and then you play 2, 3, and then on this 4th down you emphasize that again, and then 5, 6, 7, you emphasize that one, and then 8. And then it starts again with the next chord. So you have one strumming pattern for each chord here. So if I take that a little bit slow, it sounds like this. Alright, and I emphasize the downs through playing the full downstroke, okay? So all the other downs I kind of chew more on the bass strings, and the ones I emphasize, the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th, I play full downstroke. So So the intro is 1 strumming round for A, 1 for F sharp minor, 1 for A and F sharp minor. That will sound like this. Alright. And then it continues in the same way for the 1st verse. Here we have the chord progression: A to F sharp minor, A to F sharp minor. So it starts with the intro, you can say. Then it continues with B minor, D, A, and F sharp minor. That is one chord progression. So I'm gonna speak while I'm playing, and it's only 1 strumming round for each chord. So A, F sharp, so that was 1 chord progression. For the 1st verse, you will play 2 chord progression rounds of this. Plus, on the 2nd round here, you will add 1 extra strumming round for A and 1 extra for F sharp minor. So it ends the 2nd round with 2 times A, F sharp minor, like this. All right. So that is the 1st verse. That takes us to the 1st chorus. Now we can forget about this emphasized downs. We will continue with the 8 downs, but they're just 8 straight downs for these chords, okay? So the chord progression will be 8 downs on A, 8 downs on F sharp minor, 8 downs on D, and 8 downs on B minor. This chord progression here, A, F sharp minor, D, and B minor, you will play that for 4 rounds. So now it will be just downs, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then shift 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, like this, okay? So I'm gonna take you through a couple of rounds of this course, starting with A. Minor, D, B minor, and again. So you play that chord progression for 4 rounds. And then we have a second verse that will completely change and be a different verse from the first one. In the lyrics, it starts, all I did just to make you happy, okay? So this one starts with 1 down on A, and a big pause, and then again 1 down on A. So the first down starts, like I said in the lyrics, all I did just to make you happy, and then you play the next A on still you don't, and a big pause there. And then comes the next chord in the lyrics where he sings Jigsaw for the first time, because he's gonna sing Jigsaw, Jigsaw 4 times like this. So when he plays or sings Jigsaw for the first time, you play the F sharp minor. Now you're gonna play the fast 8 downs like we learned, so. And then you switch back to these A's again in the lyrics on killing parts. So A, big pause. And you're gonna play A again next time in the lyrics clearing. So A again. And then comes again, you go back to this F sharp minor and play 8 fast downs. In the lyrics, not the issue. So on issue, you're gonna play. Right? And then we have A, F sharp, B minor, and D left. So on this A here, if I made you like me, that's on this if I made. Here you're gonna shift and play 3 downs for this A, F sharp, and B minor. And these 3 downs is played like this. And then you shift to the F sharp minor, same. And then B minor. And then you end with a D on doesn't help. Just 1 down. So this second verse here is the kind of the strangest part here for this song. So that I think we need to go through and play it as a completely, a whole thing here. So I'm gonna take you through this second verse, and starting from the all I did just to make you happy on A. So that will sound like this. So there you have your second verse. All right, so a lot of different techniques there, but I think you get it. Now, next is the bridge. Here, you're gonna play 2 rounds of the chords A, F sharp, D, and B minor. And you're just gonna play 8 straight downs like we learned, so. And that is the bridge part. And then we have final chorus and that one is played in the same way as we learned the first chords, and that is how this song from Conan Gray Jigsaw ends. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know. I do my best here, and would like to have some feedback on that. So please feel free to leave a comment, thumb up if you like this, and play tuned.